Hi, today we'll talk about penguins' life. Penguins are a group of flightless, semi-aquatic, seabirds which live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere. Only one species, the Galapagos penguin, lives at and slightly north of the equator. Highly adapted for life in the ocean water, penguins have countershaded dark and white plumage and flippers for swimming. Most penguins feed on krill, fish, squid, and other forms of sea life which they catch with their bills and swallow whole while swimming. A penguin has a spiny tongue and powerful jaws to grip slippery prey. They spend about half of their lives on land and the other half in the sea. The largest living species is the emperor penguin, Aptenodytes fursteri. On average, adults are about 1.1 meters, 3 feet 7 inches, tall and weigh 35 kilograms, 77 pounds. The smallest penguin species is the little blue penguin, Eudiptula minor, also known as the fairy penguin, which stands around 30 to 33 centimeters, 12 to 13 in, tall, and weighs 1.2 to 1.3 kilograms, 2.6 to 2.9 pounds. Today, larger penguins generally inhabit colder regions, and smaller penguins inhabit regions with temperate or tropical climates. Some prehistoric penguin species were enormous, as tall or heavy as an adult human. There was a great diversity of species in subantarctic regions, and at least one giant species in a region around 2,000 kilometers south of the equator 35 Maya, during the late Eocene, a climate decidedly warmer than today. The word penguin first appears in literature at the end of the 16th century as a synonym for the great auk. When European explorers discovered what are today known as penguins in the southern hemisphere, they noticed their similar appearance to the great auk of the northern hemisphere and named them after this bird, although they are not closely related. Around 1 in 50,000 penguins of most species are born with brown rather than black plumage. These are called Isabellan penguins. Isabellinism is different from albinism. Isabellan penguins tend to live shorter lives than normal penguins, as they are not well camouflaged against the deep and are often passed over as mates. Penguins generally only lay one brood. The exception is the little penguin, which can raise 2 or 3 broods in a season. Penguins for the most part breed in large colonies, the exceptions being the yellow-eyed and Fiordland species. These colonies may range in size from as few as 100 pairs for genta penguins to several hundred thousand in the case of king, macaroni, and chinstrap penguins. Living in colonies results in a high level of social interaction between birds, which has led to a large repertoire of visual as well as vocal displays in all penguin species. Agonistic displays are those intended to confront or drive off, or alternately appease and avoid conflict with other individuals.
Thanks for watching this content. Please subscribe the channel for more videos content. Take care. Goodbye.